Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this English lesson for kids, we're going to learn about colors in English. But this is not a normal lesson. This is an advanced level lesson. So if you are a beginner, maybe you should watch another lesson. We will start with the question. What do you see? There are 3 pictures and we need to describe them. Can you tell me what you see in the picture? Write your answer in the comments below. So in the first picture, we can see a car. It's an old car, so it's probably blue. Yes, the car is blue. And there is a boy. The boy is wearing a red shirt and he's holding a green ball. In the second picture, we can see a girl. She is wearing a black dress and her hair is long and brown. The girl is holding a yellow umbrella. We can also see some brown trees. And in the third picture, there is a man. He is wearing a white shirt and black pants and he has a white beard. Now, let's talk about colors. When we describe something, we don't just say that it's red or blue. We use more interesting and descriptive words. If we want to describe something that is very dark blue, we can say that it's navy. For example, look at the sky. What color is the sky? The sky is blue, but if we look more carefully, we can see that it's navy. It's not just blue, it's navy. Or when we talk about a dress, we can say that it's not black, it's burgundy. Black is the absence of light. It doesn't reflect any color. But burgundy is a dark red color. Her dress is not black. Her dress is burgundy. If we want to describe a color that is between yellow and green, we can say that it's lime. It's not yellow and it's not green. It's lime. This is an example with the word lemon. A lemon is not yellow. A lemon is golden. Golden means that it's yellow but also a little bit green. It's golden. When we want to describe a color that is between pink and red, we can use the word coral. Coral is a bright pink color. It's not pink, it's coral. Or when we want to describe a color that is between orange and yellow, we can use the word amber. Amber is a bright orange color. It's not orange, it's amber. And here are some other examples. We can say that this color is salmon. Salmon is a light pink color. This is not red. This is salmon. And this color is teal. Teal is a bluish-green color. This is not green. This is not blue. This is teal. Some of these words are quite difficult to remember, so I suggest that you write them down. Here are all the new words that we learned today. And now let's check your homework from the last lesson. In the last lesson, you had to write sentences using the words think, know, and want. So let's check your answers. I think the pizza is on the table. I think I know where she is. I think he wants to play. I think the movie is on TV. I think they know how to cook. I think you want to go to the store. I think we have a book. I think he has a bike. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Here you need to complete the sentences using the correct form of the verb to be. Let's get started. Exercise number. My brother and I friends. Are you and your sister twins? She 12 years old. They happy. He a student. You and I smart. We at school. You tired. I hungry. Let's check your answers. My brother and I are friends. Are you and your sister are twins? She is 12 years old. They are happy. He is a student. You and I are smart. We are at school. You are tired. I am hungry. And now let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences using the correct form of the verb to be. I'm from Brazil. You're from the USA. He's from England. Where you from? I'm sorry, I'm late. Where they? Where's the bathroom? How old you? She a doctor. You and I best friends. They tired. We happy. Let's check your answers. I'm from Brazil. You're from the USA. He's from England. Where are you from? I'm sorry, I'm late. Where are they? Where's the bathroom? How old are you? She's a doctor. You and I are best friends. They are tired. We are happy. And now let's move on to the next exercise. Here you need to choose the right answer. Choose the correct option. Complete each sentence with the correct form of the verb to be. My father is a teacher. My father a teacher. Am, is, are. My mother is a doctor. My mother a doctor. Am, is, are. I and you are students. I and you students. Am, is, are. He and she are happy. He and she happy. Am, is, are. They are tired. They tired. Am, is, are. We are best friends. We best friends. Am, is, are. Let's check your answers. My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. I and you are students. I and you are students. He and she are happy. He and she are happy. They are tired. They are tired. We are best friends. We are best friends. And now let's move on to the next exercise. Here you need to listen and choose. Listen to each sentence and choose the correct answer. Number 1. I'm from the USA. I'm from Brazil. He's from China. She's from England. They are from France. You're from Japan. Where are you from? Where is he from? Where are they from? How old are you? How old is she? She's a teacher. He's a student. Let's check your answers. Number 1. I'm from the USA. That's correct. I'm from Brazil. That's correct. He's from China. That's correct. She's from England. That's correct. They are from France. That's correct. You're from Japan. That's correct. Where are you from? That's correct. Where is he from? That's correct. Where are they from? That's correct. How old are you? That's correct. How old is she? That's correct. She's a teacher. That's correct. He's a student. That's correct. And now let's move on to the next exercise. Here you need to repeat after me. Repeat each sentence after me. I'm from the USA. I'm from Brazil. He's from China. She's from England. They are from France. You're from Japan. Where are you from? Where is he from? Where are they from? How old are you? How old is she? She's a teacher. He's a student. Let's check your answers. I'm from the USA. Good. I'm from Brazil. Good. He's from China. Good. She's from England. Good. They are from France. Good. You're from Japan. Good. Where are you from? Good. Where is he from? Good. Where are they from? Good. How old are you? Good. How old is she? Good. She's a teacher. Good. He's a student. Good. And now let's move on to the next exercise. Here you need to write sentences. Write a sentence for each question. Where are you from? How old are you? What's his name? What's her name? Where's the bathroom? Where are they from? Where's the store? Here are the answers. I'm from Brazil. I am 12 years old. His name is Peter. Her name is Mary. The bathroom is over there. They are from France. The store is next to the bank. And now you need to answer the questions. Ask your friend about his or her name, age, and country. Ask your friend, what's your name? What's your name? Then ask how old you are. How old are you? And then ask, where are you from? Where are you from? Okay, class time is over. Now you can continue watching the video. If you want to become fluent in English faster and learn English step by step, you can start using English in your daily life. There are many ways to do that. For example, you can watch English videos, TV shows, or movies. You can listen to English music or podcasts. You can read books or articles in English, or you can chat with native speakers online. The most important thing is to practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. If you want to learn English step by step, you can start with basic grammar rules and vocabulary. Once you know the basics, you can move on to more advanced grammar and vocabulary. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. To improve your listening skills, you can listen to English music, podcasts, or audiobooks. This will help you get used to the sound of the English language and it will help you improve your pronunciation. To improve your speaking skills, you can talk to yourself, record yourself while speaking in English, or find a language partner to practice with. To improve your reading skills, you can read books, articles, or blogs in English. Start with easy texts and then move on to more difficult texts as you improve. To improve your writing skills, you can write a journal in English or write stories or articles. You can also take an English class or hire a private tutor. A tutor can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and develop a plan to help you improve your English skills. Learning a language takes time and effort, but don't get discouraged. If you practice regularly, you will see progress. Remember to enjoy the process of learning English. Learning a new language is a wonderful experience. It can open up new opportunities for you and help you connect with people from all over the world. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.